What's going on YouTube? Hit it back making a brand new Crypto TV episode. Welcome back to the afternoon session, which you guys have so much so requested. I'm getting this out today because this morning's episode went a bit long and we only talked about XRP, which is great. Don't get me wrong, but I know a lot of people are missing out on some Solana technical analysis, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500, and that's the main focus. Now, if you guys missed this morning's episode, then I highly recommend you go check it out on my channel here, because we talked about and spent the whole day discussing the major bull flag breakout that XRP just did. As you guys can see, XRP has formed 5 bull flags. You can see that we break out of here. I'll jump to the daily, give you a better overview here. You can see they have broken out. I've labeled them so it's easy to tell, and this is the start now, the beginning of number 5 on the bull flag charts that I have, drawn out here. So make sure to check that out. Go check on the channel to make sure that you don't miss out on this. But today we need to talk about Solana hitting its price ceiling here, as well as some of these other cryptos. Ethereum starting to consolidate, Bitcoin forming some sort of technical indicator, which is good. And hopefully we can get in on this for a short. We'll see if that happens here or if we're going to continue to pump. Tons of opportunity to make money in this market, so definitely stick around to the end of today's video. We're also going to go over the S&P 500 forming a new, interesting ascending fractal here, which is allowing the markets to just pump and pump and pump and pump since the beginning, which was January 19th of 2024 this year here. So I'm excited to go over everything with you. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BitFi is giving away $550 of free cryptocurrency by completing by completing a few simple tasks with the link down in the description below. So make sure to go do that. That's where you can start and begin and go claim your free money. There is 2 weeks left from March 1st to March 15th here. So maybe a little less than 2 weeks at this point here. We're going on 14 days left. So definitely make sure to go claim it down in the description below. It's completely free. Go check it out ASAP. And who's diving into today's video? Yesterday, we made a video talking about the breakout again within Bitcoin. Is that possible? Well, it's an emergency video. We need to go over it. We need to discuss it. You can see we just started to find and pinpoint some sort of ascending triangle forming on Bitcoin, which we have to go over today. And I'm excited to do it with you. You can see on the current coin market cap, though, quick refresh reveals every single cryptocurrency is absolutely erupting, exploding. Money is coming back into the markets here. We're actually starting to see influencers and celebrities start to talk about crypto and Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins. And what this means is that when the masses start to wake up again and come back into the market here, we are going to be seeing major explosions in prices, pumping us pretty much from the halving and even higher here. It is a cyclical market I have seen and lived through, I believe, 2017, 2022, and here we are in 2023 or 2024. 2 current, halvings right now. I'm going on my 3rd, and it is absolutely nuts, and it has been consistent every single time. I do not see why this time will be different. Money is starting to flow back in. People are starting to wake back up, and that means prices are going to be heading higher. And you've heard it here first. You've actually been hearing about it since many months ago, many years ago. We can literally scale this back all the way to the bottom back in 2022, close to November, which was scaling the bottom. The lowest point, crypto was less than $20,000, and now we're up to $60,000, which means you would have 300%, 3x'd your crypto, which is absolutely insane, turning 100K into 300K in just a year, which is nuts. Literally, maybe a year and a month, a year and a quarter, which is incredible to talk about here. But anyways, what we need to go over and discuss, obviously you can see every crypto is pumping. Our Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is up for the week, but consolidating on the daily. And you can see why, sideways trading across the board on all these major cryptocurrencies. And you can see if we focus in on Bitcoin here, zoom in, we've discovered, I'll start on the daily. We've discovered some sort of conflicting resistance. As you know, we've had a massive ascending broadening wedge that we've tracked since January 2023, and we've pretty much seen this, and then we drifted away by June of 2023 here, but then we were using bottom support October 2023, and then since then upwards we exploded to the top resistance here, and we're now rejecting off this, and we're probably going to see a dip to the downside here, but I don't know for certain, which is why we've been waiting patiently for some sort of technical indicator to show its face, and then we can go from there. And it looks like we're starting to see that as I speak, just in time for us to either be buying in, to be shorting. I am waiting patiently for some sort of We need more wicks. We need more candles here, because the longer we do this, the shorter it is, the less accurate it is. You can see I don't have enough. There's not enough yet to pretty much confirm the size or the way this candle is forming here. It's very hard. We've been moving it, and we're going to have to continue to move it because there's only 2 top supports and only 2 bottom retests as well, which is just screaming that we haven't seen we haven't confirmed where we're going just yet here. This is accurate though. I do like the way this is looking here. You can clearly tell that something is indeed forming, but it is definitely risky. I mean, I'm now on the hourly chart, and you can see how this is looking right now. We actually don't look bad on the daily. That is definitely for sure. I'm going to move this up right here to get us a quick, better overview. Check this out. Now we have a much nicer forming, beautiful symmetrical triangle, but this is forming on the hourly charts, which means it is going to pump, it is going to pop, and it is going to last a couple of hours at the most. So definitely, if you're going in on this, it is an extremely aggressive trade waiting for us to fill this gap in here. This would be towards midday, maybe 11 or 12 o'clock today, filling this in here and then deciding where we're going to be moving to, pumping or dumping or continuing the trend. But you can clearly tell, though, there's a higher low and lower high pattern forming here. Each time we head up, it is lower than the last, and each time we head down, it is lower than the last. And this all is going to come into one point of contact here, and a decision is going to have to be made, either pumping or dumping the price of Bitcoin. So keep that in mind if you're going to be trading on Bitcoin, to look at this. Obviously, we're going to do all of our cryptocurrency trades on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here in the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, lets you sell short, lets you leverage trade, lets you create stop losses, lets you take profits. They have Bitcoin, they have XRP, Ethereum, XRP, Solana. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade. You can move your trailing stop loss up. It is an incredible website. We've done nothing but make tons of profits off this website here, and I hope that you check it out. It is completely free with that link down in the description below. You can see when this opportunity to buy in was, and you can see the consolidation that's starting to take place, and this could ideally allow us to pump even higher, so make sure you're definitely paying attention. Now, what's cooler is they do offer a demo trading account as well as welcome rewards bonuses, so not only can you take advantage of the $550 in free crypto, you can also take advantage of the BidFi account right here that offers over $2,000 in Monopoly money completely free, which means you just complete new user advance and all these exclusive tasks to claim free crypto. Literally, you can see feedback. You can win up to $5,000 in perpetual bonus trading just by putting feedback. So make sure to go do this ASAP down in the description below, and then check out their demo account. This allows you to trade around with sample Bitcoin, a demo account with 50 grand loaded into it to test your skills completely risk-free. And then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live account. Now that's focusing on Bitcoin. Time to get back into these other cryptos. I am unaware or I really don't want to be trading Ethereum. I just have a bone to pick with it. I don't know why. It's just me. But there's a good chance if we're seeing consolidation and a formation on Bitcoin, then there's destined to be one on Ethereum as well. Again, not a huge fan of this, but lo and behold, we are forming one on Ethereum as well. If you want to trade this, go for it. But there is one here. We can extend this more. You can see clear as day here, this pattern that's forming. So there is now not only Bitcoin, but Ethereum too. And Solana is retesting a bit of turbulence at this price ceiling. And as expected, as we've done this trailing upward support, there's a good chance that all the price of Solana is going to do is just to consolidate like this, which is totally cool. But that's kind of the pattern that I would expect to see happen here. So your main focuses should be Bitcoin and Ethereum, or XRP already earlier. Last night was that opportunity in this morning's video, and then the focus is Bitcoin and Ethereum moving forward today. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.